How to backup your images in Google Drive. So log in your Google Drive, then new and file upload. Here select your files, images, photos, then open it. So we can see the 10 items we are uploading. That's it. Thanks for watching. This is a video to learn how to upload and backup your files on Google Drive. Sign in Google Drive with your Gmail and password, new, and click on file upload. Select your files, then open it. So this is the way you can upload and backup your files in Google Drive. Thanks for watching.